I want to tell you that what is the measurement of angles. As I know, and everyone knows, that if there is a length, there is something and you want to measure its length, you can measure the length by various units in centimeters, in meters, in decimeters, in millimeters, in hectometer, in kilometer, etc. Similarly, an angle can also be measured in the different systems. So, measuring the angle in the different system comes in our topic measurement of angles. So, question is, what is the angle? Angle is the inclination of two, or you can say two rays having same initial point. Just like this, if OA and OB are the two rays and these rays are inclined at an angle theta, or you can say simply, if OA is a ray having initial point A and terminal point you just can assume is A, because no ray is having any terminal point. If this ray is rotated anti-clockwise, then figure so formed with the help of initial ray and terminal ray. OA is the initial ray. This is initial ray OA and OB is the terminal ray. This is terminal ray, that is what? OB. What is common in these two rays? The point O, that is the rays starts by the point O. So, the initial point of both the rays is same. So, you can define the angle in the two ways. One way, you can say, if you have a ray and ray is rotated in anti-clockwise direction, then after rotation what figure formed is known as the angle. Starting ray is known as the initial ray and where we finish our rotation, that is known as the terminal ray. Amount of rotation theta, that amount of rotation theta is known as the degree measure of the angle. Another definition of the angle, that if we have two rays having same initial point, different terminal points, then these two rays inclination figure so formed is known as our angle. The first thing, as I was telling you about the measuring of the length, it can be measured in centimeter, millimeter, decimeter, hectometer, meter, and so on. Similarly, an angle can also be measured in the three different units. Three different units of measuring the angle are studied in the subtopic of the trigonometry, that is the measurement of angles. What are these three? If angle is measured in degrees, angle can be measured in grades, or angle can be measured in the radians. So, there are three units of measuring the angle. What are these three? One, as usual, angle in degrees. Another, what is that? That is angle is measured in grades. And another one, the last, is to measuring the angle in the radians. Our very popular system, where from beginning by class 4 or 5, by which standard we introduce the angle, we always say the angle is 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree. But now stage has come to understand that what is the meaning of 1 degree and what is grade and what is radian.